This is a short video designed to show how to use the HART or HRVTrace app. The app is designed for the iPhone, but will also work with an iPad or iPod Touch. I'm going to demonstrate the app on a large iPad, as you will be able to see the details more easily. So once you have put on the heart rate monitor according to the manufacturer's instructions, you can start the app. And it's now finding the heart rate monitor. If you've already connected the heart rate monitor to the app and are using the same heart rate monitor with the same iOS device, it may connect automatically. Otherwise, you just notice the red link icon here and you tap that and the link turns green, showing it's now connected. Tap the back button and you will see your heart rate starting to scroll across the screen. If you go back to the home screen and tap the app again, it'll show you the heart rate. So it's continuing to connect and collect data even if the other apps are being used, or you go back to make a phone call or something like that. So what you see here is my heart rate moving up and down on the screen. You can adjust the scale, so I can increase the range, I can decrease the range. You can also slide the scale. You can change the amount of time that's displayed. If you want to record or mark a particular point in time, you simply slide the event marker, and that puts a vertical red line indicating that something of note happened. The event marker will reset itself after a few seconds. If you are wearing a Zephyr HXM Smart heart rate monitor, then it will record activity data and send that to the app. So if I were to move around a bit, you should see my activity start to increase. That's the shaded bar graph. And if I do a bit of jumping, then you'll see my heart rate start to pick up, and it shows a brighter color and higher bar for the activity. The Polar and First Beat chest strap monitors do not send activity data to the app, and so there the activity bar graph does not show up. So once I've stopped moving, my heart rate starts to come down. And in order to stop, I could simply disconnect the heart rate monitor from my chest, or I could tap the red icon and then going to the back button. Now I'm no longer collecting data. If I go to the history screen, then I can select a particular session, and if I tap the Notes button, I can enter a title for the session, add some notes, save. I can go back, tap on that, and now I can see my history data. The iPad tends to have difficulty shifting to landscape view. So now I'm in the history screen, and again I can also scroll back and forth. The time display changes so that this is the time of this heart rate or heartbeat. This is the time of this heartbeat here. And then if I go back to the history screen, I can email the data to anyone I choose to. Okay, thank you very much.